Hello everyone. Let's talk about how to set up some scanners on Thinkorswim. Now, keep in mind that the Thinkorswim scanners are really good when it comes down to swing trading. These features on Thinkorswim were created pretty much to give you stocks that will look good on the daily chart. It's better to use it for swing trading. And so they developed this feature so you can find stocks. It might give you a couple of stocks that pop during the day. You can set your scanners to give you certain things, but it's a lot better when you use your scanners for the daily chart to swing trade. For example, this stock here is a bouncing off the Bollinger Band, right? So what we're gonna do here, I set up my scanners in different ways for different things that I will look for on a daily basis when I want to swing a stock. So what we're gonna do here is just to give you a quick video on how you can set a couple of different things on the scanners. So we're gonna go to Scan Stock Hacker. You're gonna set the presets of whatever you want to do. So for example, we're gonna choose a stock. The close of the day, you can set the high, the last, the volume. We're gonna use the close, minimum close between $1 and $45, and we're gonna choose the volume here to whatever you want on the volume. Let's say whatever amount of volume you would like on your minimum in a daily basis, to a maximum I have it in blank because I don't want any maximum on the volume, but at least closing over 150,000 shares traded. The lower the volume here, the more chatter you're gonna have on giving you stocks that might not look too good, but some stocks that might be setting up. So it depends on the amount of volume that you want to see. And so what we're gonna add here is a study. In order for you to do that, you're gonna do here, for example, is just close everything, and you're gonna add a filter. And on the filter, you're gonna find a stock. For example, we already have volume here. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna add a study. So the study we're gonna have, for example, you can add anything you want. For example, volatility or price performance or popular studies, but for this video let's just choose price performance. Let's say that if you want to look for something gapping up or gapping down, or higher lows, or the price change, for example, or the price direction. So what we're gonna do here is the direction on the price. So we're gonna see a closing every bar increasing from the last three consecutive bars, for example, on the daily chart. So what that will give us is stock that might be moving up from the last few days. We're gonna hit scan, and all of this stuff is going to pop. But if you want to narrow down your search, you can also add another filter, for example, and we can use the crossovers. For example, here we can try to use the moving average crossover, and we can choose a simple moving average and a close. 15 period moving average here crosses above the 30 period, and so we can hit scan, and we have a narrow search here. So you can add pretty much anything you want there, and it's going to pop this window. So after you have the search and the stocks pop, what you want to do is, you probably don't want to miss this list that you have now. We're gonna go here into the right hand corner, and we're gonna hit on the show actions menu. And what we're gonna do here is that we are going to save right here, save scan, and we're gonna add a name, just for example, testing scan. Testing scan. All right, and so after we have it saved, we're gonna go back, open this up if you want to, and we're gonna go to maybe charts, and we're gonna go to, for example, let me pull all the way down. Open the, or you have a watch list. If you don't have it, for example, let me just show you from 0. You're gonna have to hit the plus icon right here. It's gonna, these gadgets are going to pop, and you're gonna do at the watch list here. After that, it comes out on a default. When you have the default, what you're gonna have to do is hit the default here, and you're gonna go all the way to personal testing scan right here. We hit it here, and when then next to the name you have these 2 arrows up and down. And so if you want to see it on your screen here, what you're gonna have to choose is look at the color that you have here, so you can link it here. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna link it right here. You have to hit on the link and choose the color just to link it. Hit the red, and now every time you click, it's going to show you the stocks that it shows with the settings that you input. Okay, and so that's pretty much the way to set up your scans and how to find them and use them.